Okay, so my name is Mateusz Witkowski and I'm the co-owner of Witkowscy. We are the distributor of the spray book Yoki Star in Poland, Germany, Austria, Czech Republic market. And by now we are also trying to introduce to our market the painting robot PaintGo.
So it's a robotic painting arm, yes?
Yeah, it's a fully automatic painting robot, painting machine. Something different than in big factories, because you don't have to paint the whole car. We can use it just to paint some parts of it.
Okay, so you need a special spray booth, obviously, to do it?
No, you can install it in mostly all of the spray booths, because all you need to do is just to install the rail where the robot is going.
Okay.
The rails are the only part which connects the robot with the spray booth.
And so how does the robot know where to paint?
It's very easy. As you can see, this red part over there is a scanner.
It's a scanner?
It's a scanner. Now it's closed because the scanning was already done. It works similar to automatic washing machines, where you can go with the car and it scan all the car. Of course, it's more accurate because it needs to scan it really much better. But the robot goes all around the car, scan it, then you go to your laptop, open the app and tell him do this and this part to paint, and he starts painting it.
Okay. Can it blend?
Yeah, it also can blend with no problem. You're also programming how far the blending needs to go. What else? Because it's not like in the factory, it don't have the pump connected. It uses normal spray gun, so you can use the spray gun as you want. You can put the spray gun with the base coat, go and click start base coat. When the base coat is done, you are changing the spray gun for the clear coat, put clear coat and start.
And what sort of application? So have you got a lot of body shop customers?
For now in Europe we don't have any yet, but in China and Southeast Asia it's quite popular.
Okay.
They're using it also for the bigger trucks and also for the trains. It depends only with how big is the arm of the robot.